Hi, this video is on how to restore your documents from your T drive that you backed up possibly in the spring. And this is for those people that don't keep their documents on their T drive all the time. They keep it on their PC and they move it there occasionally for completely redos. Or if you did it when you got a new laptop. Now you'll notice on this desktop there's a folder that says My T Drive. I just added that for all staff members so it automatically shows up. So if you double click on that, you should see your T drive. I'm going to move that over to one side because I'm going to be copying stuff from it. And then I'm going to open up this PC and put that on the other side because I'm going to move things back. Now this teacher made a folder called Old PC Files. And these are the folders that I recommend if you're concerned about losing anything, that you move from your PC to a folder like this one on your T drive. This could be laptop documents, it could be desktop documents. It doesn't really matter which one you backed up. The process is basically the same. Now, I said basically because it's not exactly the same. If you're using a laptop, you're only going to see a C drive here. If you're using a desktop, you're going to see a C and a D drive. And what we're about to move and where we're about to move them, if you're using a laptop, you're going to be doing this on the C drive. If you're on a desktop, you're going to be doing what we're doing right now to your D drive. I'm on a laptop. So I'm going to click C and go to Users and find the user that I'm restoring, which is my wife. And I double clicked on that. Again, I just went to either the C or the D, went to Users, and then clicked on your username. And we see those same folders here. All you have to do is, I am holding down my left click and dragging across to highlight them all. Then I let go and they're all highlighted. Then I'm grabbing on it by left clicking again and just dragging it down here to the open space down here. All these things are now copying into those exact same folders. So if I look in here now, all of a sudden the documents are back, the downloads are back. Oh, it says there's one file that is here. I'm going to go ahead and replace it. The desktop icon that she has to her bell ringers are back. All those things are back. If you did this again to a desktop, instead of clicking on the C drive, you click on the D drive, you would not see all these things. You would just see a user folder, and then you'd see your user account, and you would drag those things back. If you're trying to save them at any other time, I recommend doing like she did, having a folder that then you could take those again and highlight those things that you want to make sure you're backed up, and you just drag them there to the open spot. In this case, if you're making a new backup, it's going to say, hey, do you want to replace those? You just say yes, so that the one on your T drive is the current backup. Again, the process is the same for desktops and laptops. The only difference is what drive you're copying to. C drive for laptops, D drives for desktops.